Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Osif tool in your Termux. So first make your Termux update and upgrade. For making your Termux update and upgrade, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. You have to make your Termux update and upgrade. It will take some minutes. You have to type yes. Yes means Y. It's done guys. After that you have to install pkg install git python 2. I already installed the Python language guys there, so that's why it's showing for me like this. So it will take some times in your terminal, so have a patience. After that, clone the Osif tool. So cloning process, you have to type get clone. Okay, I given the link in my Telegram channel guys, so go there and copy that link and come back to your terminal. After paste it here. After that you have to press enter. You started the cloning. After that you have to make ls for the list and cd for the chain directory. You have to search for the Osif. It's here. It's here. Copy it and paste and make and clear. After that you are now in the Osif directory. So you have to make requirement.txt. So you have to type pip install -r. Okay, after that copy this requirement.txt, copy it and paste it here. That's it. It's already installed everything, so it will take some time in your terminal guys. So again I make ls for the list and I will run python 2 and osif.py. okay, after that I will press enter. So in this video I will show only the installation process here. So if you want a full practical video, you can join my Telegram channel guys. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.